Okay. All right, today's a review day. Put the calendar and the sleeves away, but not rolling it up. Please don't do that. That breaks my sleeves. Okay, don't do that. All right, they have to be flat. All right, so on the board you see, remember how we've done these before? You guys have to solve the addition or subtraction equations? Yeah. Okay, and then we're going to have some hidden words.
And I already know what they say.
Okay, well that's great. But I don't want you to say anything right now, okay? Let's not ruin it. So go ahead and I want you to do just number one. So don't look over here at number two on the right. Number one, solve these equations, write the sum underneath, or if it's subtraction, write the difference. Okay, remember to take away. So do the ones on the top and the ones on the bottom, just for number one, okay? So get your pencil out. I'll give you a few minutes to do those.
On the update, I listened to the book.
Oh, wonderful. I hope you do that every week.
And my mommy tried to look up the real song.
Okay, great. All right, so let's get started with these, and then we're going to go over them together on the board. And then we're going to figure out the hidden words. Okay, Alina, begin. Now, begin. Get started, don't wait. That's how we get behind. Okay, when you're done, put your pencil down. Do the top and the bottom. Okay, make sure you do the ones on the bottom as well, because those are the ones we're going to have to match up. If you remember. No, you write them right here. Then you go right underneath. You don't write anything on the lines here. Okay, kindergarten, just a reminder, some of you guys are writing things in the wrong spots, okay? We've done this before. Okay, so you're going to write it right underneath. So 4 plus 1, you can tell me what 4 plus 1 is, Jen. 5. So I'm going to write 5 right here. Okay, what's 2 plus 2? Well, 4. Okay, what's 3 minus 1? Take away 1, Alina.
2.
2. Okay, did everyone write their answers there? Okay, that's what we're writing. Okay, Jacob, check yours, but that was subtraction there. 3 minus 1. Okay, Ellen, hurry up and get to your seat, okay? All right, now we're going to do the ones down here. Remember, you're not writing any numbers on these lines, okay? All right, 3 plus 1. Raise your hand and tell me what's 3 plus 1. Caitlin, what's 3 plus 1?
5.
No, 3 plus 1 more. You need to use fingers to help you right now. Give 3 fingers, add 1 more. Show me 3. Come on, I want you to figure it out. 3 plus 1 more. 4. There you go. You guys can do it. You just got to try. All right, 3 plus 1 is 4. What's 4 minus 2? So 4, take away 2. What are you left with, Jacob? 2. Very good. All right, and 2 plus 3 is what, Victoria?
5.
5. All right, you guys write those all in?
Yep.
Those should all be written. Okay, now we're going to match them up. Okay? So 4, what letter was also equal to 4? Finn? Let's look at the top. Which one equal to 4?
This one?
No. Right over here, here's 4. Which letter also equaled 4?
Oh, I thought you meant down here.
No, the letter.
Right here.
So what letter?
B.
B. All right, so we're going to write the uppercase B here. B. Okay, so which one at the top here equals a 2? There was a 2 for the answer. Alina?
I.
The letter I was also a 2. Okay, the last one is 5. 5, I see 5 up here. What letter is that, Dean?
G.
G. All right, what word, raise your hand, what word did we spell out, Riley? Big, but big, big. Very good. Okay, go ahead and get started. Now on this side, you have 0 plus 3. Write that in. 4 minus 3. So 4, take away 3. What are you left with? 4, take away 3. I know, because I was like, oh, I gotta be better at laughing. Let me check it, but
No, I have like an alert come on my phone to laugh.
lovely. Okay, 5. Take away all 5. What are you left with? Okay. All right, so do all of these. Come on, you guys, you have to try. You have to try. I'm not going to solve them all for you. You guys know how to do these. Okay, show me 4 fingers. Do 4. Take 3 of them away. Take away 3. Take away 3 of those fingers. And how many do left? No. How many do left? Just 1. Okay. Use those fingers to help you solve. Fingers are fine. They're the best tools you have right there in front of you. I'm okay with the fingers. Eventually, you'll start remembering those answers on your own the more that equations are doing. Okay. Looks like a lot of us are done. Awesome. Okay, that one's 5. No, just show me 5 fingers. Just 5. Take away all 5. What do you left with? 0. Okay, you guys ready?
Yep.
Okay, 0 plus 3. Ben, what's 0 plus 3?
3.
3. Very good. 4, take away 3. Dean?
1.
1. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, 5 minus 5, Valentina. What's that? 0. Because I had 5, I took away all 5. So now 0, right? All right, 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3, Evelyn.
0.
0. So I had 3, I took away all 3. Now I have 0. All right, 5 minus 4. 5, take away 4. What do you get, Jenna?
1.
1. Good. And 1 plus 2 is what, Finn?
3.
3. Okay, let's match them up now. Okay, which other equation, for which letter, was there also a 0, Alina?
C.
A C. Good, write it in uppercase C. All right, which one equaled 1? Which letter? Caitlin?
A.
The A. All right, and the last letter, which one equals 3, Jacob? Which one up here was 3? Which letter? What letter is that? C. All right, what word did we just make? Everyone say it. Cat. Okay, so look at big cat. Look at that. Look at that. I wrote it. Awesome. Okay. Lift and turn to the next page, please. Good work. This is a nice little review with addition and subtraction, which I love. Okay. This next page is a vocabulary review. Different words we have used in this chapter, okay, and through this topic I want to review. So, we have our hundreds chart. Do you see how they have different ones highlighted? Okay, so let me ask you some questions here first. It says draw a circle around the part of the number in the orange column. So look at the orange column. So draw a circle around the part of the number in the orange column that is in the ones place. Which number, let me ask you right now if you guys know, which number is in the ones place in the orange column? Is it over here on the right, the 3s, or is it over here on the left? Which number's in the ones column? Boy, I don't have a lot of hands in the air, that's not good. Ben, which number's in the ones column? Is it these numbers over here on the left or on the right? What do you think? Can't hear you, bud. The left is our tens place. Remember, the left is our tens. Remember, when you make a 10, look at a number 10. You add that 1, okay? So think about it. When you think about tens, it's got to be that number that's on the left that makes it a 2-digit number. So the ones column is all these numbers. What does the 1 column all have in common here? They're all a what, Valentina? They're all a 3. So look at this. I'm going to circle. Oops. Sorry, I gotta get my pen out. I'm sorry. I'm gonna circle all the 3s. Okay, so in this orange column, all the number 3s are gonna get a big circle around them. Or if you just want to circle each 3, that's fine too. If that's easier for you. Nope, just the 3s, Jacob. Just the 3s. I'm not circling the whole number. I'm circling, if you want to just circle each of the 3s, that's fine. That's the number in the 1s column that they all have similar. It's just the 3s. Do not circle the other number on the left. That's in the 10 spot. Make sense?
Yep.
Okay. All right, now it says draw a circle around the part of the number in the blue column that's in the 10s place. So which numbers are we going to circle in the blue column? Which numbers are in the 10s place, Alina?
The 1.
The 1, okay, the 1. What else?
The 10.
No, all the numbers that are in the 10s. Remember, the 10s and then the 1s. We just went over here. The 1s were all here on the right in this column. Which numbers are is in the 10 spot?
The 1.
You had the 1. What else? Keep going down to the next number.
The 2.
The 2. Keep going.
The 3.
Good.
The 4.
Good.
The 5.
Good.
The 6.
Yep.
7.
Yes.
8.
8.
9.
There you go. You got it.
Circle.
So circle all those numbers.
My dad said if you help, the hands are helping, this is the 1 place and this is the 10 place.
Yep. If that helps you, that's totally fine. Yep. Whatever helps you remember. So the 10s, like I said, the 10s are over on the left. The 1s are on the right. Think of a 10. When you make the number 10, look at, now you have 2 numbers. So the 10s column is over on the left when you add that second number to it. It's not just one number by itself. Can everyone circle those? Circle them in the blue column. Circle all those numbers. Okay, we're good? All right, now it says color the decade numbers yellow. So get out a yellow crayon. Who remembers what are my decade numbers? You guys knew this pretty well. Valentina, give me a decade number. 10. Let's color it. Give me the next one, Victoria. 20.
30.
30. Someone give me another one. Raise your hand. Evelyn, give me another one.
40.
40. Good. Caitlin, what's another one?
50.
50. Good. Dean.
60.
Good. Riley.
70.
Good. Will.
80.
80. Awesome. Jenna.
90.
90. Good. And Jacob. 100. Good. Those are all my decade numbers. What do they all have in common again? They all have what, Finn?
A 0.
They all end with a 0. The 0 is over in the 1s column. Okay? They all have a 0 in the 1s. Over to the right. Thumbs up, we're good?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Take the whole thing and flip it over, please. Now we're moving into our reteach, the ones that are in the green papers. Okay, so this is all review here, so we're ready for tomorrow. Okay, this one chart we only have a front and a back to be. Okay? All right, so remember, they do the first one for us, and then the second one we're going to do on our own. So just the pencils in your hand right now. Is everyone on this paper?
Yep.
Thumbs up if you're here. We're all good? Okay. All right, so it says count out loud the numbers in the top row. So let's count out loud these numbers. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Hold on. Then have them count aloud the numbers in the bottom row. Are you ready? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, now listen. It says circle the number in the top row and the part of the number in the bottom row that sound the same. So here's what we're going to do. Listen carefully. Circle the 1 in the top row. Circle the 1. What number in the bottom, what part of 21 sounds exactly like 1? What part of this number are we going to circle? 1, 21. Valentina, what are we going to circle? The 1. Not the 2, but when we say 21, the 1 and the 1 is out. You're just saying the number 1, right? Okay, they're alike. Okay, now let's circle the 2. Now when we say 22, which 2 am I going to circle? The one that's in the tens place or the one that's in the ones place, Will? The ones place, the one over here on the right. Circle the 2 on the right, the ones column. Make sense? Okay, so now let's circle the 3. And now what am I going to circle down here in the bottom row for 23, Finn? Finn, I said, the what?
The 1 spot.
Okay, which number?
3.
The 3. Very good. The 1 spot, we're going to circle the 3. Sorry, mine got a little messed up there. Okay, so let's keep going. You guys you see the pattern? So 4, 24. Circle the 4. 5. What are we going to circle down here? And for 25, what are we going to circle, Lena? The 5. All right, 6. What are we going to circle in 26, Caitlin?
That's it.
The 6, right? We're saying 26. All right, 7. 27. What are we circling, Evelyn?
7.
The 7 in it. Very good. Oops. My bad. All right, then 8. 28. What are we circling, Jacob? The 8 and 28. And then 9. 29. What are we going to circle there, Dean?
29.
The whole 29?
That's not.
Just the 9. Because we didn't say 20 up here, did we? All right, very good. Am I going to circle anything in 10 and 30?
No.
They don't sound the same, do they? Right? There's nothing that's similar for them. All right, so we're only going to circle those sets of numbers. Make sense? I know, that was my arm accidentally hit the board, so it happens. Okay. Number 2, you guys can do this one on your own. Remember when we count by tens and then by ones. All right? So it says, count by tens and ones and then draw a circle around the number that tells how many. So count by tens, then switch and count by ones, circle the number that tells me how many. Go ahead. Count those purple cubes. The purple cubes, you guys gotta look up what I'm doing. Count the purple cubes, count by tens. Then stop. What are you? And then keep adding on your ones. No, kidding. Count by tens. Count by tens. No, you're not counting by ones. This is a set of 10, so count by tens. Can you stop by tens here? What you're saying? Count by tens. 10. Okay, 80, no go. Count by ones. 80. Okay. All right, who can count this for me? Because I have some kids that are forgetting how to do this. Okay, Alina, can you do it for us nice and loud?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83.
Very good. Everyone count like that?
Yeah.
All right, let's all do it together. Ready? Here we go.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83. Very good. So circle 83. Who can tell me what 83 looks like? Evelyn, what does an 83 look like? 8 and then a 3. Very good. All right, lift and turn to the back. Good job, guys. Well, I want to play up.
Are.
That's not so bad. Then it's really
All right, please get a yellow crayon. Please get out a yellow crayon. Caitlin, please sit up. Okay, stop. Sit up. Sure. Okay, eyes up here, please. All right, they did this one for us. They started on the number that's highlighted in yellow. What number did they start on here, Will? 34. What number did they stop on, Dean? 47. The one that's in red is where we're going to stop. Okay? So they just counted up by ones all the way from 34 until they got to 47. Okay? So same thing with number 3. We're going to start on what number, Ben? 69. What number are we going to stop on? What number is in red, Riley? 80. Okay, you guys ready? So let's get our yellow crayon ready. Oh, gotta get my yellow crayon. Hold on.
I gonna draw those arrows.
Nope, no arrows. We're just coloring in. So it says color the boxes of numbers as you count aloud by ones, starting on the yellow box. Okay, so again, let's start with 69. Let's say it out loud. 69. Here we go. 70. Don't forget to go down to the next row. 71.
72.
Keep going.
73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80.
And stop right there. Very good. All right, be careful that you do not miss any. That's why we have to count. So when we have a test tomorrow, you have to count quietly to yourself when you're doing it. Okay? But I want you to be counting so you don't miss any. Some of you guys have skipped rows before. All right, so be very careful. Okay. For number 4 here, see how there's missing numbers?
Yeah.
Okay, and then see how these are the missing numbers that went there? So remember how we did this before? You have to write in the missing numbers, and then circle the set of numbers that matches the ones that you wrote in. All right, so get your pencil ready. Figure out, now these are numbers that are in a, remember, what does that mean? When they go from left to right, they're numbers in a what? Who remembers what that means? Over here, it's left to right, the numbers that are missing. So they are missing in a what, Will?
Row.
A row. Top to bottom means we're missing numbers in a what, Jenna?
Column.
A column. Very good. So we're missing numbers in this column. So look at the pattern here too. 56, 66. Think about the number that comes next. All right, or if it helps you, what number goes between 75 and 77? So write in those 3 numbers, and then circle the set of numbers that it matches. Figure out those 3 numbers that go into those blanks. Okay. And then circle the 3 numbers that you wrote in. Which set of numbers matches the ones that you wrote in? And then we're all done.